So I'm going to show you how I braid my garlic. I braid my garlic because I like the way it looks, and people have been doing it for 5,000 years or longer. It helps keep the garlic separated, which prevents mold, creates some better airflow, and it looks nice. And I started by scraping off the dead leaves, and as I braid it, I'm not the best at braiding, but I do my best. It doesn't have to be perfect. As I braid it, I add garlic here and there. Kind of keeps them separated. Some cultures actually do this for symbolic reasons, for repelling evil spirits or attracting love. But that's not why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because I like the way it looks, and it keeps my garlic fresh, and it makes it easy to get a garlic bulb when I need it. And yeah. It's kind of a mess right now. Like I said, I'm not the best at braiding, but I think you get the picture for the video. And string it up like that. Then I put the braided garlic in my closet, I hang it up, allow it to dry, and it makes it nice and easy. These bigger bulbs I started in the fall, and they actually have the separate cloves inside the bulb because they went through the winter, and the freezing temperature allows the garlic bulb to actually separate and create those different cloves. These smaller garlics over here I planted in the early spring, and you'll notice they don't have that same shape as these ones. They're more rounded, and they actually don't have separate cloves. These smaller ones started in the spring are actually, if I cut into this, it's an entire piece of garlic. I don't have to separate the cloves because they did not go through a freeze. So the garlic that goes through the freeze will have separate cloves like this. As you can see, that's a clove, here's a clove. You can see the different shape under the paper covering. And these smaller, rounder ones are literally just one, it's almost like an onion, but it's a solid piece of continuous garlic. I like both. It's nice to have the cloves when they go through the freeze, but it's also really nice to just cut into it and not have to remove all that paper and separate the cloves and just have one solid, nice piece of garlic.